guys, and welcome back to Car Focused, featuring my Mark II RS. On this video we're going to be doing a little bit of a how-to guide. The sat nav on this car, it's the 2009 version, so it hasn't been updated since the car was bought by the original owner. Now obviously the road networks have changed a hell of a lot over 10 years, and I think it's time to update the sat nav. So did a bit of research on the forums, and I've got myself a new disc which arrived today, and also a software update. I'm going to put the disc in first to see if it will run. If it won't, we'll do the software update. I'm guessing there's a few owners out there with Mark II RSs or the same sat nav unit that are looking to update it. So hopefully it should be quite a straightforward little upgrade. But we'll go inside the car now. I'll show you the disc I've got, and I'll talk you through how to get the original disc out, and then we'll try and get the new software uploaded. So as inside my RS, I've got some seat covers that actually came with the car, and they are tailored seat covers. They have got a little bit of paint on them. The other one's actually clean, but it's quite well worn. So this is obviously the passenger one, but I've stuck it on anyway just to protect the seat. Anyway, I digress. So we've got this disc here. So as you can see, it's Ford NX 2019. If you type that into eBay, you'll get these come up. I paid £30 for this. It's a full European sat nav update by TomTom. And I've also got this here with instructions on. So first try the map DVD, and if DVD not loading, then try the update SW after the map DVD. If the map DVD starts downloading and working, then you need to update. I think the English is a bit funny here. No need to update SW because you can damage the unit. So basically, try this. If that doesn't work, then stick this in, update it, and then run this disc. Right, so here's the unit. So what we need to do first is we need to remove this bit here and gain access to the disc. So first things first, we have to remove this. Just simply pull it off. There we go. Put that somewhere safe. We then need to remove this panel here. Apologies if it's a bit dark in here. But yeah, there's a little sprung loaded clip in it behind this. We just need to pull this off, and you also need to remember how the clip was in place. So I finally get my fingernails behind it, and then just pop it off. So remember the spring, how the spring is in position like that. You'll need to put that back in later. Right, so now we've got the cover off. We need to hold the nav and the menu button together for a few seconds, and then let go, and then eject DVD. Now enter device pin. That is your radio code, which I've got in my glove box. So the pin is in, and I've ejected the disc, and here's the old disc. Check that out, look. 2009, and that has seen better days. So what we'll do, we'll put the new disc in, we'll run it, we'll see if the maps will work, and then we'll know if we need to do the update. So new disc goes in. So I'm going to press continue, and we'll let that do its thing. See how long that takes. Bingo, download successful, system will be restarted. So I'm guessing we're gonna have to wait for that to reboot, and then we can see if we have actually got the updated maps. Right, so the sat nav's restarted itself. I've started the car. I'm just gonna see now if it's actually gonna work with this new updated disc. So obviously type in Great Britain for our country, and we shall go to, where should we go to? Cambridge. Just try Cambridge. Some random postcode, we'll go with that. Right, calculate route to city centre. If these come up, then we are all good. Just load in. There we go, fast. Obviously I don't want to go any further because then my address will come up, but yeah, wow, glowing. So yeah, that's it, just a quick easy video. of how to update your sat nav on your Mark II Ford Focus RS or a similar Ford that has the same system on it. All you have to do now is put it all back together, which is very straightforward, and then off you go. So yeah, just a quick video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it useful, then as always, just comment and like, and until the next one, I shall see you soon.